Good morning guys, it's the next day and it rained quite a lot this night, but today it will be much more sunny than now, so we will go on a hike, but first let's have some breakfast. Let's go for a hike. Beautiful view. Let's go. We are 10 minutes in and we found this beautiful swing with a view. Fleur wants to take a picture, I think. This is a nice view though. Very beautiful. What? Hi!
Hi!
Wow. Let's go to that side. Trees. We are just walking around here. Love it. We just saw it there over there. We just saw it there, jumping through this field. And now it's somewhere over there. But I cannot find it right now. But maybe we will see it, because the wind is coming from that direction. So maybe he will not smell us. And we can surprise him. And then we have some dinner for tonight. No, just kidding. But it's truly beautiful here. It's really beautiful. Some cows in the back. I hope that there will be somewhere here. It could be somewhere behind these bushes. There! A baby cow, how cute! And a big one. He's looking mad though. Let's go to the baby. Let's see if we can pet him. Hey! Ah. Hello. Ah. The big one is coming though. Hey. Hello. They are watching us. Bye. Fleur, what are you doing? We are hiding for Jill. She's just walking. She saw us. I just found a tiny raspberry.
Zou denk wel peaceful zijn als je daar woont.
A little bit sour, but it's good. It's energy. Tiny house.
Ik hou van een huis in de stad.
Again, a lot of Christmas trees. And I really want to fly my drone here, but it is so windy. I mean, look at the trees. It is really windy. But for now we are going to have a little snack in this cabin out of the wind. I think that over there they are mining some stuff, and we can also see it from the camping. I'm not sure what they mine though, but they are mining something. Not bitcoins though, too bad. Here you can train if you want. And the girls are slow. Sheep. Sean the sheep. Oh damn, fighter jet. Germany they got all these solar panels stick to the side of the roof. Oh. Instead of in the Netherlands, we put them on top of the buildings. Here, they also put them on the sides, like here. But these don't got it. What a beautiful house! Holy moly! And we're walking back to the car right now. It was quite a small hike, so Steph and I will repeat this one to do a better hike. Just the two of us. Prost! Prost! Nom nom nom. Sehr schön, sehr schön. Wunderbarlich. Sehr gut. Steph and I are cooking chicken with
Curry.
chicken curry. And the girls are chilling there. The sun is shining. The sun is shining over there. But holy moly. Don't rain, please.
Curry.
Curry looks good. Bon appetit. Look what I found here. Beautiful mushrooms. You will trip. Today was a nice day. We did some hiking and it was really great. And tomorrow we are going to Fort and Fun Abenteuerland and I really look forward to it. It's a theme park. It's really nice. Roller coasters and also a zip line, I think, and Fleur really wants to do a zip line here, so tomorrow she will be the lucky one. That we're gonna sleep. So I see you guys tomorrow in a new video. Thank you for watching and please subscribe. Bye bye.